itself is something more than just a result, more than connecting dots together, and the level of skill is what gives it value. You don't look at your printer the same way you look at an artist, but by joining both digitally, can it create something surreal. A system that accepts your language input and generates whatever you desire, and will convert the text into a surprisingly realistic representation of exactly what you've described. For someone who can't draw but vividly visualize things like ideas, places, things, it would mean everything to him to finally be able to bring those to life in picture, not just words. I really started testing this AI with a crazy description, and here what I've got: one eye, dark night, cinematic, rustic, orange, bloody, moon, and see the mesmerizing piece of art that appeared. Imagine a high quality demon with sad portrait dry in mud, and see the image is just beyond description. And yeah, I really started testing this guy by giving it an opposite thoughts, opposite concepts. For example, an Asian feels cold while burning. A man manifested as a tree. The branches are flowering from a side and on fire on another side. And see this masterpiece. A guy with taped face, shouting on the thieves who stole his life. His taped face, but he's shouting, and he manifests that in a really good way. Shout out for this guy, he's gonna take over, apparently. So do you wanna try it? From your browser in your mobile or computer, just go to Discord. Log in. If you don't have an account, just make one. Press the invitation link that I'll provide you with, and go wild with your thoughts, and just start spilling your thoughts into their mods. So how does it work? It's a learning algorithm that attempts to gain recognition and understanding of images and their text description. And if we look here, let's suppose that those circles, small circles, are the input. From the left, the right, the output. In the middle, we have those hidden layers of coding and data. It's maybe one layer, two layers, receiving those data from the external environment, whatever you make up, and creating, those electric impulses which travel through the connected network, get information that you need. And of course, the link is in the description below.